I'm so excited to share my Faultline Christmas cake video tutorial with you today. Let's get started. First, I applied a bottom buttercream layer to create the fault line on the cake, and then I repeated the process at the top, creating a magnificent fault line in my cake. I set my cake aside and started making my flowers, berries and cones to fill the crack on my cake. First I added CMC into my fondant, and then I added my red Soo Intense Food color. I kneaded everything until it was combined to make the perfect Christmas red, and then started filling my molds to create gorgeous berries and flowers for my cake. Then I started to prep my fondant to make leaves. First I added CMC and then my green and black Soo Intense Food colors. I kneaded my heart out, and then I rolled out my fondant. Using a knife, I cut out rough shapes for my leaves, and then I used our amazing veiners to create these leaves. I set my leaves aside to dry over some foam so that they wouldn't dry flat. Using Crystal Candy's confectioner's glaze and our rose gold metallic powders, I painted the tips and edges of my Faultline cake, but I still wasn't satisfied, so I decided to paint over it again with some glaze mixed with Soo Intense red to give it that extra special Christmas vibe. Then I started adding all of my flowers, leaves and berries to the fault line, and just loved playing around with all of my possibilities. I used white chocolate to stick my flowers to my cake. started making my bow for the top of the cake using a strip of our edible fabric. I chose a Christmas themed design and used some white chocolate again to stick it together. I then dry brushed all of my decorations with silver metallic powder to give it a shiny, Christmassy, and maybe even snowy look. Then I assembled my bow on top of my cake with some more yummy chocolate and added some flowers and other decor to the top of my cake. I also dusted this with some silver metallic powder. Thank you so much for spending the time watching this video with me. I hope that you loved it just as much as I did and that you are truly inspired to make your Christmas cake out of this world this year. Have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy your holidays.